Well, this is just a very short video because I've got the printer going. It's printing as well. I have a big ABS reel inside this box, feeding it through this little hole to keep it straight, so it doesn't come off the spool. And these are my huge, massive bobbins, and they're literally this. Well, it's two halves of one bobbin. Actually, I decided to do it this way because the support material would be quite consistent. There would be a lot of it because of the size of the bobbins, so I decided to split them into two halves. And anyway, as you can see, they use up the whole bed. 100 milli. I've actually got it set up now so that it's basically using the whole bed. In fact, I can't cram any more on there. I've actually ordered some copper sheets, so I'm planning on making the bed a bit bigger. Actually, I can make it a bit longer, and I also have to make a temporary heat sink until I actually get the parts which I ordered, which I'm still waiting for. Yeah, I've got sick of waiting, and me being very inventive, I decided to try and repair the one that's in there. Well, it's working reasonably well. What I did was that the bolt that's broken, right? The bolt was broken right in the middle. So what I did was I got this piece of, hang on, I don't know if you can see this properly, but that big chunk of metal there, the rusted thing, came off a motorcycle, right, between the two washers, and it's threaded. So the rod that was broken actually joins up inside that piece of metal. So effectively, I screw the broken piece in the top, the broken piece into the bottom, and it holds it all together. Basically, it's like a giant nut. So it works anyway. It acts like it's a big heat sink, and it takes away a lot of the heat from getting back into the motor from the hot end, and it's working quite well. Anyway, as you can see, let's get some close-ups. This camera's not very good, sorry about the detail. The camera is really poor, but yeah, it's working well anyway. Let's get a different light on it. Let's see. Ooh, I'll have to be careful I don't get my light stuck in the head. Anyway, I don't upset it. It's got a long way to go, so that's just a short video. I had these other ideas about using this heatsink. I thought, nah. I decided to use 4 steel washers, which is what's on there, and they fit pretty nicely behind that fan, which is right behind there. You can't really see it on that side, but on the other side you can see the fan. So, it's quite hot on here. I don't know how to phone. And it's looking very crystalline, whatever. It looks very translucent, which is good. I'm just hoping that it doesn't warp and peel off, but I did notice there's an error there. The one strand didn't get laid down there, but it should repair on the next pass. Probably because the Captain tapes wasn't sticky enough on that point. But anyway, this is the economy print because I'm not using any support because I've cut this bobbin into two halves, so it's basically both the backs are on the flatbed, so the middle part of the core will be facing up, so I don't need any support material. So I won't waste a lot of ABS on this one. So it's just an experiment to see if I can do it this way, you know. I need to get some painter's tape, really. I've been trying to find some really wide stuff on eBay, but I can't seem to find any. Probably going to have to go for the thin, narrow reels. Anyway, that's it.